So I guess the stuff won't break, huh? Fuck. Wait a second. Oh shit. Oh, I can't. I can't take this. Let's see if we can break that window with the stuff like this. Because we ended up that's because well we don't know what to do, so we ended. I don't even care because I stopped. You see, this is very strange. Like this is a totally strange idea just coming in mind. Because there's a ramp there, so maybe this will work. This is a dangerous structure. Okay, and it hurts me a lot. How dangerous this will be. This won't even work. Why do I think that there's a way this will work? Come on, this is freaking damn. Okay. Oh what? Okay. Anyway, we find out that that won't work. We have to find the strong stuff. Let's see if there's any strong stuff here. Oh crap. I don't think there's any strong stuff that I can't take this. Oh. There's no way I'm gonna take that thing out. Since I don't know where to go. What? Oh fuck. Yeah, that won't happen. It doesn't look like I can take this car around or what. It just won't happen, huh? Really, so seriously here, I don't know where to go right now. What's this? How is this? Oh crap, on a stick. I don't know where did I throw that big knife. I know there's a big knife here at the start, at the beginning of the level. I don't know where did I throw that thing. Well, if I have to start it again, I'll be pissed. You know, if that big knife is outside there. I know I threw it away. I didn't know how. I have to restart it. Hold on a second. This. Oh, this is the right thing. Okay, this is the right stuff here for we to do. So, okay, see. So, evacuation improvised. Self-construct rotary action. Tactical offense rover. So first, well, we need the stuff. Okay, let's take this. Okay, so yeah, we really need to do something like this. What the hell is this? Start. Okay, I don't think we need that now. We have the fan. Okay, a fan. Which I know we can get it from here. I just pouring out. So yeah. There's no way I can put it. Where do I have to put? Okay. Oh, there, put it there. Oh, we still with. Oh, we need that. This. Okay, we need to turn this thing up too. No, that's like we're building some really fucked up thing here, you know, stuff and stand. Who the hell will build this thing like this? Okay, so a glass. It looks like. Oh freaking god. Okay. This rotary crap engine. Okay. And glass. It looks like I don't know where to get the glass. I got this first. I got the holy knight first. Not knight. Knight. Okay. And that's the Mr. Wordy. Okay. We need this. But where can we get this? Where can we get that stuff? Can I build it with this? I don't know, I don't think we can. That's not right. I don't think I would. Oh, there. I think this should work. This good bulletproof crap. Why is this going to work? There's no way this is going to work. I even don't know why this is here. Okay. What did we miss? I don't think we missed anything. Why is this not going to work? You see, this is so good. Well, glasses. Come on. There's just too many stuff like this over here. I get hell. Oh, okay. Need that. Get away. It's good to go. Okay. Oh, it's so slippery. Oh no, wait a second. Is this safe to just let this here? I think we'll explode. Oh. Holy shit! Where am I? Something here. Something. It's not. Like it's hard to control it. Come on down. Really hard to control. Yeah, something like this. Whatever. Glad I never had to think something like this. Come on, you remember down. Yeah, I can't control it. I can't even dodge something if I want to. Are we dead? I think we're dead. Oh fuck me, how would I even dodge that? Okay, how to dodge it? I even didn't see this. But there's hell a lot of barnacle up there. Looks like. I don't know. I think there's other way to go. I don't know why I went through here. Oh no. Go here. What the fuck? It's not off. I fucked up. Oh, alright. Yeah, I fucked up. Really hard to get. Fuck me. It's really hard to get. Not the point. At this point. So we leave the vehicle because I don't think we can actually kill the barnacles. Let's see if we can do this. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna kill this stuff. Okay, so well we have to walk, I think. Just walk around those barnacles. Fucking bitch. Okay. Oh fuck. Not sure a lot of supply boxes. Yeah, the old good time using gravity gun and to stand the barnacle. God damn. Shame myself, you know. Oh fuck. Would I ever do something like this to myself? Come on. I don't have that much boxes to use, you know. Okay, there's one arrow here at least. Okay. Oh, it's so fun. Yeah, I don't know if I did the right thing or what, you know. Oh, damn. Damn. Oh, that zombie is powerful. Okay. Let's keep going then. Better bring a barrel with us. How am I gonna even survive the crap like this? Let's go back there. Oh, this would do. Okay. This must be the funniest thing I've ever done in my life, you know. Like carrying a barrel around. Where is the zombie? It says a zombie moaning around somewhere. Oh, down there. And I don't mind. I'll just grab this. I can go everywhere I want. I don't know if I did the correct thing. I have to say, if I did the wrong thing, this will be bad. Oh, where the hell should I go? I think I did the wrong thing, you know. Now how am I gonna go back? I guess we can stack our way back there. Or just like to be too ridiculous to do. And yeah. Yeah, think how many barrels I'm gonna to use to far. This is not a good way to use this explosive barrel, so I just might as well just throw it down there, you know. I was thinking if I can stand on this. Okay, good to know. Okay, so actually I think I really need my vehicle and some stuff. Okay, we're good. I don't like to stack my way up there back again. I don't know, I just don't feel like I'm gonna do it. I think that's the wrong stuff to do. But I did the wrong stuff every time, you know, like when I'm playing the game. I really don't know if this is the right thing to do. But like, going back there, I mean yeah, going back there is easy as hell, there's no way I have to worry about. Let's go and get our vehicle here, if we can, of course. And not get clogged up in there. Got this rock can. Got this stuff on the floor. I think that is funny at all. I can use it. Oh, I think that's broken. Oh my god, this thing is broken. Can't believe it. I get struck up again because this thing is too goddamn hard to control. Finally. I have to accelerate. What the hell? Is this supposed to happen? I get clogged up. As well as this stuff here. It's broken again. I think this is as far as we go, you know. Because yeah, I think. Oh, what should I do? I even don't know what should I do. I didn't bring the barrel, you know. Oh, there's a barrel. Wait, whoa. I can go back and kill those zombies. I hit them 3 times with a freaking barrel. Are you kidding me? Come on. God damn it. Oh god, there's no zombies here. I don't know what the fuck did I done. I came out from there. Okay, I think. Oh, it's really crunked up. Right, I don't see we can go any further now. This is the end of the fun ride. Well, where's the road then? Oh well. I know we can use this one more time. Wait, let's reuse one now. Oh, there's even more barnacles. Come on, god damn it. Okay, wait a second. I think we have to clear a path by using those explosive barrels back there. I have to clean you two now. Or else I will be damned. Okay. This just take a second, so don't worry about it, okay? Okay, here it is. Come on, and this is hard to. Freaking god! Oh shit! Think this is funny? I don't think so. So seriously, I don't know how to pass the barnacle part. I really need barnacles now. Oh gosh, shit. Hard. Here, see those stuff and other craps. I hate barnacles. I can do a thing, like just like so. This has one barnacle and then just second time. That's supposed to happen. Where's the what happened there? I don't know. As well as wasting your time on this, it has to be very hard to pass over barnacles. What the fuck? But I really can't find anywhere to go right now. Okay, if we can. This will be the worst case scenario here. Really worst. But I can't think of any solution right now, so yeah. The worst case here. I really don't know if this will work. I think that is too, I don't know, too wide open there. Not narrow enough. Like this might work. Let's keep going. I think that